So if you or your team flip between multiple platforms just to find out which post is the best performing post over any given period, then this video is for you. So we're headed into the Digivizer platform and we're actually going to head into owned media. So in owned media, you have all of your social channels connected in one place to give you a master feed across all of your posts in any given period. So right now we're tracking last quarter's posts, but you can track last month's, you can track it on a weekly basis, or even track up to a year. And you're going to see channels like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, both personal and company pages, as well as YouTube, X, and TikTok. And you'll be able to see different post types as well. So that might be posts, video, carousel, as well as newsletter posts, and even story content, all in this master feed. And this feed's coming in best to worst performing based on the metric that you're sorting by. So we're currently sorting by engagement, but in this instance, I actually want to sort by impressions. So if I click to impressions, you'll see the feed change. And in an instant, we're seeing that best performing content in this period is LinkedIn founder-led content. And this content's actually mentioning the brand term as well in these top performing posts. So with this view, not only have we saved loads and loads of time for our team, but this data is actually allowing us to see whether our content strategy is working. If we're choosing to double down on founder-led content, then we can have this validation by seeing that it is the best performing content in this period. But if we're not focusing the resources that we want to on that right now, this data is going to allow us to either change or pivot that strategy to focus more on what the audience is reacting to best.